Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue. On this 2019 Nissan Rogue we're going to go over how to remove the outer tail light assembly. First you would pop the hatch to be able to gain access to two bolts or screws that are a size number 10 that sit right here and hold it in. Once you get those undone, then you can do a little bit of prying here with a nice good non-marring tool, the best you can. But you're also going to want to wiggle this a lot and pull it backwards, and it's going to take a lot. You're really going to think that you're going to break it, and you may. But you got to wiggle it, jostle it a lot, pull it out, and then once you get it out, then you're going to want to unhook the electric here. And so that's the whole housing removed. You're removing it because, say, maybe it's cracked or broken and you need to replace it. So that's how you would remove it. And then when you're done doing whatever you need to do, and you can move it to replace all the lights with no problem and not being attached to there. But to put it back on and see these, go back. So these tabs right here, and then this, they correspond to, goes in right there, and one goes in right here, and then this holds that little plastic piece, and this holds it close to the car. But these right here are really stubborn to be able to get unhooked from this little tab, and so it's pretty tough to get it off. So when you've done what you needed to do, and you're ready to put it back on, or put a new one on, if that's the case, just connect your electric connector back up. Make sure you have this kind of white or gray tab lined up in the top here so that it's in there, so that it'll stay close to the car. And then, now, push it, when it all snaps into place, you feel that snapped in. Now you can replace these two number 10 bolts. Alright, and so that's how you replace your outer tail light assembly on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.